wanted to do a proper introduction to this video. I'm currently in Maryland visiting my friend Maggie.
Hey!
At her lake house. So that's where I am right now. I am so excited. I landed this morning at 7:30 a.m. I took a red eye last night, and I went to the airport with Alex because he was flying to Boston at the same time. Alex and I are at the airport. Maggie and I have been running a couple of errands today. We stopped at the farm stand. I'll insert our haul right here. We just stopped at that produce spot, and we're gonna do a haul. Are we doing caprese with that or the tomatoes?
We're doing fried green tomatoes with the green tomatoes. They're super hard.
And caprese.
Caprese with the heirlooms.
We should do like a cooking with Maggie.
And we're gonna get burrata for the caprese, of course. We got 4 delicious, super ripe plums.
Zucchinis for zucchini fritter. We're going to go on the boat for a bit, hop in the water, and hang out for the rest of the day. So yeah, welcome to this video. We're going to be doing lots of fun stuff. I think we're sailing to Annapolis tomorrow, so I will bring you along, and yeah, welcome to the video. We just arrived. So pretty. Maggie's giving me the tour.
This is my room. It's the best room. With a view.
You ready for the view? Maggie and I are running some errands right now. We are pulling a U-turn right now and going to a little farm stand, and we're going to the diner to get breakfast.
Cookies Diner.
Cookies Diner.
It's literally called Cookies.
Apparently is this the place that has the fish sculptures?
It has a really weird fish we're gonna show you. 2.
And so run errands with us. Maggie's driving the boat! Maggie and I just had a glass of wine outside, took some pics. Now we're about to make some dinner. We're doing pasta, caprese, and having wine. So we're gonna do a cooking with Maggie show. Since I'm her sous chef, I need to be put to work, but she's the star of cooking. So let's make some dinner with Maggie. This is the outfit. I have on Maggie's linen shirt. These are Guess pants. And this thrifted necklace.
Welcome to Cooking with Maggie and Lizzie! Salad today. I'm in charge of a mushroom cream sauce for pasta.
We have wheels. Pasta wheels.
Yeah, grab them. They're over there. Wheel reveal.
And we're drinking
a glass of, I don't know,
red wine, to be exact.
Cantina. Not saying that.
And we've eaten like basically a whole block of brie. These are the tomatoes that we got from the not the farmer's market, the stand.
It's like a produce stand.
The stand. This is the morning lineup. Sea moss, juice, and Little Miss Tooth Fairy. We made it to Annapolis after sailing this morning. Maggie's getting ready. I have my little purse, and we're gonna go shop around in the town, go to dinner, have some drinks. There's antique stores.
Go to antique shops.
What shops? What else?
Um,
Get an ice cream cone.
Yeah. Good ice cream shop.
Stop
Go
at
to
a
antique
pub
stores.
to watch the World Cup game.
Hopefully
that
get a
Alex
beer
is
to
at.
pub.
Okay, we made it to Annapolis. We're going to O'Brien's.
Yes, O'Brien's
for a drink.
Tavern.
And then we're going antiquing. And this town is adorable. Max got a mezcal drink.
Nice smoking.
I got a beer. Try it. I wish I liked mezcal. Homemade focaccia. Grilled zucchini with hummus.
So excited about the hummus.
Mags and I are at the yacht club. Where is it?
It's the Eastport Yacht Club.
At the Eastport Yacht Club. We just did a little outfit change for dinner. We're having a drink here first. We had appetizers and a preserve. Which was lovely. We had a zucchini with hummus, homemade focaccia. Mags got a mezcal drink. I got a beer.
It was so delicious.
And now we're just...
And now we have to wait until our dinner.
Wait until our dinner. These are our outfit changes. Maggie's shirt.
Into my beautiful skirt that I love.
Changed into Maggie's shirt and my new skirt that my friend gave me for my birthday. And that's the outfit. We made it to dinner.
What do you take a picture?
A video.
Oh,
Splitting
the
the-
flag?
okay.
Oh,
Flag.
shit.
Oh, down to the point.
It's
Right
the
there.
bottom.
Oh, no, the bottom of the flag. Sean says,
Wait,
Sean says,
here?
it's between Sean says the bottom of the
Here.
flag.
Yeah, that's what
point.
No, the point,
Bottom
the
point.
bottom point right here, right above Bogarts. Okay,
that's
ready?
not splitting the
One,
damn flag.
2, 3, go.
Oh, I did too much.
I did too much too.
Oh,
wait, no.
no, you didn't.
I
No,
didn't.
Maggie,
I
you're
didn't do enough.
Maggie, you're like, Maggie. Maggie's dead on. Yours is dead on. Yes.
Okay, wait, show.
I'm thirsty.
We
Let
did
me
it.
see. Wait.
Oh my god.
Are you into?
We just woke up. Well, I woke up just now.
I woke up like
In our
an
bunk
hour.
bedroom. Actually, let me show you. I was the top. Maggie was the bottom.
Yeah.
And this is our bunk bedroom. We're heading to coffee. Wait, explain.
We're gonna go to a coffee shop in town that's also a bookstore, and they have like inside seating, and then we'll probably sit outside, and you can just sit and read. But they also sell like a ton of books,
I'm also dressed by Maggie.
head to toe.
Head to toe. All denim. And when we come back, we're sailing back to Maggie's
But
house.
first, we're gonna jump in.
The water. And then we have a huge dinner party
A
tonight.
big dinner party tonight.
So,
We're having 14 people.
We're gonna be cooking. We're gonna do another Cooking with Maggie show.
Yeah, obviously.
And I'll bring you along for the day.
When you're facing the steps, facing the steps.
This is Maggie's bookshop that she's showing us.
All that's split.
Okay.
World's dry. Let's go.
Oh no, really?
It's cornbread though.
We got. Oh wait, there's corn in it.
Yeah, there sure is. You want a piece of corn?
Have these. Cheddar. Wait, what is in this?
It's a jalapeno honey cornbread scone.
And it's dry. Shoot.
It's really dry. But
I got an iced coffee with a little milk.
it's so dry. It's like dry.
Sean got an iced coffee, no milk. Mags got.
I got a decaf lavender latte.
I think I'm going back for the matcha with elderflower
And jasmine, or the
or
jasmine.
jasmine and blueberry.
Jasmine blueberry.
And it's so gorgeous out here.
Good coffee.
Maggie and I are ready for our summer solstice dinner. We've got our outfits on. Cake is baked.
I did not make the frosting yet.
These are our outfits. We're called the Practical Magic Sisters for a reason.
Because this is what always happens.
Outfit is thrifted.
Wait, and you kind of look like her.
You can.
Well, I get that sometimes. But you kind of look like her.
We have our wine. This is what we're drinking. Oh.
We don't know what it is.
It's a summer solstice.
Cheers.
Maggie just made the cutest cake. It's a lemon. You didn't do olive oil, did you? Was it? It was
Lemon cake with lavender frosting.
And we just decorated it with the lavender sugar, plums that we got from the farmer's market, cherries. Maggie and I are eating breakfast with the most amazing view, of course. We just jumped in and did some yoga on the dock over there. Maggie?
This is Liz. Yeah?
We're going to Dobbins Island and I'm taking you with me.